In this video, I'll discuss mobile devices and accessible web design. Phones and tablets present a challenge for web designers, and it's not new or specific to accessible web design. For years, web designers have had to figure out how websites translate from the big screen to the little screen. The answer has been responsive web design, and that has a place in accessible web design. But specifically, why is it important to consider mobile devices when creating an accessible website or app? Well, phones and tablets present a special challenge for people with disabilities. They are handheld, which can be a problem for people with motor disabilities. The typically small screen makes it hard to decipher for someone with a visual impairment. The touch interface combined with the small screen will be frustrating to use for someone with tremors. And mobile keyboards are very small. Examples of symptoms that can affect mobile use include, but are not limited to, tremors, hand weakness, and visual impairment. And that means developers have to be extra careful when creating an accessible mobile site. So how do you design for mobile? Well, the World Wide Web Consortium's Web Accessibility Initiative, or WAI, has definitions for mobile. The definitions address the small screen, zoom and magnification, contrast, and a nonlinear screen layout. Other WAI definitions for mobile include the keyboard, touch target size and spacing, touchscreen gestures, device gestures, button placement, screen orientation, consistent layout, page element placement, instructions for touchscreen and device manipulation, and data entry. So there's plenty in the WAI definitions that you can use to make your mobile sites and apps more accessible for all users.